Today is Tuesday, March 9th. This is the 1976-1977 Cadillac Eldorado front-wheel drive specific Hydro Boost Assist unit. This unit will be going to my friend Julius Day in Waldorf, Maryland. And the unit is completely rebuilt. All the seals have been changed, tested under high-pressure hydraulic bench testing, and is ready for shipment, guaranteed not to leak. The unit mounts to the customer's existing master cylinder, because this unit is the Hydro Boost unit only, not including the master cylinder. So any potential for leaking would occur at the master cylinder and not with this Hydro Boost unit, as this unit has been completely rebuilt. All the seals have been changed, and it has been bench tested and the accumulator calibrated. So this is a beautiful, fully reconditioned show quality unit, and this will be going to my friend Julius as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. Okay. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados. I have over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac components such as this booster.